Hey, so you wanna know how to connect your Instagram to Facebook and share your post automatically? So let me link your Facebook and Instagram together. So for that, first you have to open up your Instagram app and go to your profile. Now you have to tap the hamburger menu at the top right, and here you have to select Account Center. Now go to the profile section where you will see your Instagram account. If you have multiple Instagram accounts, they will all appear here. Now tap Add Accounts and you will see options to add Facebook accounts and add Instagram account. But if you don't see this option, you might already be connected to a Facebook account. But if not, just tap on Add Facebook account. Here Instagram will show your Facebook accounts that are already logged in on your phone. If it's your account, just select it. But if you don't want to use it, just go to this Not You. And if you want to use different account, just go to login with your Facebook email and password. Just go for this option and manually log in with your Facebook email and password. But I'm going with my existing Facebook account and then continue. And when I allow this connection, it will connect it automatically. And you will see the confirmation that your Instagram and Facebook are linked successfully. Now back to your profile, and whenever you create a new Instagram post, you will find this share to option before posting. Here you can select your connected Facebook account, and you will also see two options: share this post or always share post. So if you select always share post, your Instagram post will automatically upload to Facebook without needing to enable it each time. And if you ever want to stop, you can simply turn it off. This is how you can link your Instagram and Facebook correctly and perfectly. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.